Don't allow that state. Don't allow your unfavorable state to define you, because its definition is not your destination. Greatness is the hero in you. Greatness is your inheritance as a child of God, and the testimony of God's purpose and desire for greatness. He said, you shall be the head and not the tail. Let me tell you, it is a mystery of greatness that the son of a carpenter became the Messiah, the ruler of the world, and the greatest king ever recorded. The principle of greatness states that who you are, what you are, where you are, who you know, and what you have doesn't matter.